there's no right or wrong way to take a photo. I've seen a lot recently on a lot of different Facebook groups in particular that I'm a member of. People, usually people who don't have a great deal of photography experience, will post a picture or something or ask for some sort of advice or something like that. And everybody jumps on that. You have to do this. You have to download photo pills. You have to use a certain setting on you. You have to set your white balance to tungsten or some crap like this. You do not have to do anything. You might get better results. You might get results that look more aesthetically pleasing to some people by using certain methods or using certain equipment. But without wanting to sound too pretentious, it's art and it is open to interpretation. If you think it looks good, then it's then good to at least one person. So it's, it has value. Don't get hung up on when people say that something has to be done a certain way, because it doesn't. Nothing in photography has to be done any way at all. Doesn't matter. Yeah, just don't. And a lot of it as well. I'm a member of, like I say, I'm a member of quite a few of these Facebook groups. I like to share my images on there. I do not look for constructive criticism or advice, because you don't actually need it. Look at people's work. Look at what techniques they've used, how they've done things. Take it all in. Process things yourself. You just, if you go out your way to look for constructive criticism, then you're doing a disservice to your own creativity, really. Just take it all with a pinch of salt, and you do not have to do anything.